Good morning kabayan! This is Ed Federico, your real estate broker. At nandito tayo ngayon sa Pacific Park Place, Dasmariñas, Cavite para i-feature yung property na to na ready for occupancy. Tara! So ito kabayan ay merong lot area na 150 square meters at floor area na 200 square meters. Ito kabayan yung ating magiging pedestrian gate. Upon entry, ito yung ating inside garden, magiging inside garden. And this is our two-car port, kabayan. So, kasya dyan ang dalawang sasakyan. So, dito muna tayo sa gilid. This is our service area. Yan, ito yung pinto natin going to the kitchen. This is our water tank. Ang capacity nito kabayan ay 1,000 liters. Yan, let's go. So makita nyo kabayan, may space pa tayo sa kabilang gilid at dito sa likod. And dito, yung ating magiging pinaka-lanay. So sa lanay natin kabayan, nandyan yung ating sliding door. And sa sliding door, meron tayong screen, no? Sliding screen. And this is, kabayan, this is a single attached unit. Kung makita nyo, ayan yung ating perimeter wall. So kabayan, this is selling at 9.350 million. And ito yung ating pinto. This is a solid door. Ito kabayan, this is the actual unit. Yan, nakalagay, no? House turnover as is or is. So kung nakita nyo kabayan, this is the actual turnover unit. Ito yung ating floor. Granite tiles kabayan, painted wall with ceiling. Ito yung kanina, yung tinuturo ko sa inyo. This is the sliding door. No? And glass door, and this is the sliding screen door kabayan. Yan. Punta naman tayo dito, kasama sa turnover, kabayan is, dito sa baba, meron tayong 1 bedroom, dito sa baba. Yan yung ating 1 bedroom, kabayan. So, yan ating 1 bedroom, kasama na kabayan sa 1 bedroom, ang ating cabinet, kabayan, na from floor to ceiling. Yan, and maging yung ating dito sa 1 bedroom kabayan, kasama na yung toilet and bath. Yan, complete set of features na kabayan yung ating toilet and bath dito sa baba, sa 1 bedroom dito sa baba. And dito naman sa labas, kabayan, meron tayong powder room. Yan yung ating powder room kabayan. Yan, complete set of features na rin kabayan. Yan, yung tiles niyan is from floor to ceiling na. Yun. So, this is the actual unit turnover and this is our kitchen, kabayan. So, ito yung kitchen natin. Kasama itong ating cabinets. Yan. Kasama itong mga drawers natin, the under cabinets. Yan. The sink. Yan. Kasama na kabayan. Kung ano nakita nyo, yan yung pinaka-actual nating turnover dito sa baba. So, dito tayo kabayan sa second floor. Dito sa second floor, merong 3 bedrooms and 2 toilet and bath. Pero bago yung kabayan, pakita ko sa inyo yung ating stairs. Yan yung ating stairs kabayan. Yung wooden steps natin is a pitong wood. Yan, makita natin, wood na rin ating handrails with metal na po yan. And dito sa second floor, meron tayong common toilet and bath. Yan yung ating common toilet and bath kabayan. That is the actual turnover. Complete set of features na rin po tayo dyan. And dito yung ating 1 bedroom. Yan yung ating 1 bedroom kabayan. Okay, the actual turnover ng 1 bedroom from floor to ceiling na yan kabayan. Yung ating cabinets, yung tiles natin. Yan. And this is the bedroom number 2. Yan yung ating bedroom number 2 kabayan. Halos kaparehas lang ng bedroom number 1. So, both bedroom number 1 and bedroom number 2 kabayan, meron na yung provision for window type aircon. So, puntahan naman natin kabayan yung ating bedroom number 3 or our master's bedroom. Yan, ganyan po yung ating master's bedroom kabayan. So, kung makikita nyo, ganyan siya kalaki yung ating master's bedroom. Yan. So, dito, ito kabayan yung ating window, sliding window. So, same with sliding window, meron tayong sliding screen door. Okay, i-sara na lang natin. Yan. This is the sliding screen door. Yan. The vanity area. Yung ating cabinets. Ito yung ating cabinets, kabayan. Yan. And maganda rito, sa master's bedroom, meron tayong sariling toilet and bath. And this is our toilet and bath, kabayan. Yan, ganda. Yan yung ating toilet and bath. May kasama yung bathtub, kabayan. Yan. So, from floor to ceiling, yung ating tiles dyan. Yan, ito. So, makikita nyo, kabayan, complete set of features na rin yan. So, yun yung ating shower enclosure, glass shower enclosure, kabayan. So makikita nyo, malaki yung ating space dito sa bathroom ng master's bedroom. Sa kabayan, recap tayo. This is located in Pacific Park Place, Dasmariñas, Cavite, with a lot area of 150 square meters and floor area of 200 square meters, selling at 9,350,000. Required na reservation natin dito, kabayan, is 100,000. And the down payment is 1.7 million. This is the actual unit turnover, kabayan. So kung interested kayo, mag-inquire lang kayo sa amin and assist namin kayo. So sa ground floor, makikita nyo, kabayan, with kitchen, with dining, with living area, with one bedroom. Yung one bedroom natin may kasamang toilet and bath, and with powder room din sa ground floor. Din dito sa second floor, kabayan, we have 3 rooms, 2 toilet and bath, isang common toilet and bath, at yung isang toilet and bath naman ay isang master's bedroom. So, ulitin ko, kabayan, this is selling at 9.3 million. So, kung interested kayo, kabayan, feel free to inquire. Mag-message lang kayo sa amin. By the way, kabayan, this is Ed Federico, your real estate broker. Thank you!